To see the whole race, though, that's the good news right now as they approach the start.
Right, they come down the chute and they go straight for that light on the hill, and that's our guide pylon. You can see they're all kind of finding their way out there, backside of the course. American Spirit in first place, Mike Steiger.
They'll be going around again, 6 laps, 47 miles total. It's the long course out here.
This is what we got. Mike Steiger, American Spirit, number 5. Pete Stavridis, Pete Zaccanino.
First lap didn't take very long here in this jet class right there, and that sound is just unbelievable. So much better than any war movie you ever saw in your life. This is the real deal here.
Pete Zaccanino came all the way from 6th to be fighting with Pete Stavridis in 2nd place. Look at him, he's right there. That's our leader, American Spirit.
Mike Steiger, Cypress, Texas.
This is the Pete's. Remember from yesterday. Pete Stavridis, the red tail.
Right behind him, you see Pete Zaccanino.
3rd.
That blue and gray aircraft, and man, he has closed fast. He has made fast work of the rest of this field. Now challenging for 2nd place, right behind. Right there, American Spirit.
Great shot of American Spirit, number 5.
Such a formidable aircraft, so successful. It is the standard by which you judge all these jet competitors, and this is jet gold. This is the ultimate race of this week.
Battle for 2nd place between the Petes. That's Pete Stavridis, Pete Zaccanino.
You can see him in the background. Neither one able to make up any ground on the leader there. Mike Steiger in jet number 5. Boy, the real close-in punching in the clinches right here is happening in the battle for 2nd place. Look at Pete Zaccanino trying to close in on Pete Stavridis. Meanwhile, out front, race 5 continues to make ground on the field.
American Spirit coming around home pylon to start lap number 4.
Already half over this race, and watch Pete Zaccanino. Got to be outside, got to be a little higher, but he's not going to be very far away either.
So close.
Pete Zaccanino, ultra competitive, a former champion in jet back in 2015.
Back in his Vampire, number 24. He kept the number. Pete Stavridis is used to going fast in a jet. He's an FA-18 pilot.
Having a good race meet here this week. It's just anytime you got to go up against race number 5, everything gets a whole lot harder. There it is right there, Mike Steiger. So far, a flawless run.
And there's the battle of the Petes, as I've been calling it this weekend. Stavridis and Zaccanino.
Pete Stavridis just hanging in that spot right there. Do not be surprised. It's coming up very fast, that final lap. Do not be surprised if there is a sprint and a nose-to-nose finish here.
Pete's going for that pass again. Pete Zaccanino is going for the pass high and outside.
Okay, watch this.
Coming down the valley of speed.
Get ready for him on this lap or the next one to make a big drop right about now. As soon as they get those wings level. There he is going down. Gaining a little speed.
Things have changed. Things have definitely changed.
He has taken over the lead as near as we can see right there, both in pursuit.
Final lap.
In spirit, but there's Pete Zaccanino has taken over right now as they pass the pylon. That's who they're chasing right there, Mike Steiger in American Spirit.
Pete Zaccanino is pulling away from Pete Stavridis. He does not have enough, though, for Mike Steiger.
Pete Zaccanino, remember now, he came from the last place, the 6th spot in this field. Did that in the course of a couple of laps. Actually, a single lap, was it not?
It was in the first lap. Here comes our
white flag lap. They are in the final lap right now.
checkered flag is up. Mike Steiger's coming around pylon 9.
Checkered flag, covering runway 26.
There's your winner, to the surprise of no one, the American Spirit, the L-39 Albatross. Race 5, piloted by Mike Steiger. Pete Zaccanino is going to catch second place there, ahead of Pete Stavridis.
It's hard. It's a tongue twister between Stavridis and Zaccanino. And that's our Vicky Benzing, just coming across the home pylon. And here comes Bob McCormack in 6th place. That was exhilarating.
Oh, man, and fast.
And it's going to get us ready for the next one.
Just off the course.